So I sat over here and cut all my green ends off. I was over it. I'm just over the green ends. So I cut it all off. I did. Fresh black hair. I haven't had like fresh black hair like this in a long time. It almost feels surreal, but yeah, I am moving on to my next coloring phase very soon. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm getting my hair braided today. So I'll take you through that. I kind of sort of wanted to do this myself, but just don't feel like it. So I blew my hair out again. My ends are like cut. My hair's a little bit shorter, but I'm just going through another phase right now. So yeah, I am on my way to get my hair braided. I'm over here at my friend's house. This is my sister Khadija. Let me see your face. Don't make me video, okay? She's braiding my hair. Every time we always fight. But I'm getting pink at the back. You see that? Pink. Don't make me video, okay? So the background, my friend Khadija, she's Muslim, and fasting starts today, so she's praying while she does my hair. I couldn't see the back, so I definitely couldn't film the back because there was nobody really to film. But yeah, she's done with almost 3/4 of my hair, and this is kind of like a view of her braiding it. Like the hair was purple transitioning to a pink, and she's using a lighter to burn the ends. This is kind of like really old school, but that's kind of how I wanted it. So yeah, she was just braiding. She's pretty fast and was done with my hair in about 2.5 hours. And yeah, I got a few more braids left. I'm very excited. I was trying to talk through it, but there was too much noise in the background, so I decided that I'll just do a voiceover and show you guys the very final stages of it. But yeah, she's just doing the front braiding. You guys can look at my other video and see how I braided because she does very similar braiding style. Guys, my hair is done. This is the next day. You see it? So pretty. Very nice. I love it. So thank you for watching. This was a really short video for me to show you. It wasn't very extensive, but I wanted to show you, get my hair done. There's so many braids on YouTube, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, XOXO, I'll show you guys the back.